first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a low-carbon plant room from Baxi.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 2 equal floors.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 3 heat pumps.
On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 multi-points.
On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 winter races.
On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 Siriuses.
On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 7 CHPs.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 prefab rigs.
On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 Maxwell Evos.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 to 20 aces.
On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 11 packaged plant rooms.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 supreme units.